Alright, so we got in our spray paint for the unboxing table going upstairs in the studio. Got 2 cans of gray for the top, 1 more can of black since I already got some black done. If that table video is not up, I'm sure it'll be up shortly. It worked pretty perfect for what I'm doing. Also, Krista's CRF 230L. It's getting cold, so we are switching. We're going to ride some more single track and some trails. This is the bike I bought her a few years ago for like $600 that just needed an exhaust and a fuel tank. I already bought the fuel tank, but the fuel tank is updated. So it uses the updated shrouds, which we don't have. So I've got to get those, but no hurry. So anyway, the exhaust, it's broke off right where the mid pipe would meet the head pipe. From Honda, it's like $400. FMF's like $400. I waited and I waited and I waited, and I finally found this Chinese or Indonesian one. Went on sale on eBay for 75 bucks. So I picked it up. It's got the head pipe. It's got like a little fake Mega Bomb thing. It's all in there. So I'm going to install that today. Clean the carb again because it's been sitting. Get it purring. And she is going to take her maiden voyage on this thing in just a couple days. I'll have some videos of that. The YZ250F, the head is back from Fast Heads in Utah. So I'm getting ready to put crank bearings and maybe a crank in the bottom end. And yeah, then we'll be putting that one together. My KX250 two-stroke that I'm trying to make a decent woods bike. You guys know I've already done the tank. I've already done the skid plate. I've ordered the REKLUSE. It's geared 1252, which is ridiculously low, and I still can't do tight trails in second gear without stalling. So I ordered a REKLUSE. I told you guys that. It's not in yet. I keep watching the mail for that. I am going to take this and do some riding on it this weekend and just deal with the clutch. The pipe was really rusted and had caked mud, so just as a temporary thing, I just took a wire brush to it and then sprayed it down with some Maxima MPPL just to kind of keep it from rusting until I can get time to get it off and clean the rest of it because it looked really bad. Fork seals absolutely cracked. They're not leaking, but they're like dry rotted, cracked. So gonna swap those out. Gonna put off-road valving in it, and my bumper is pretty much disintegrated. So when I rebuild that shock, I'm gonna valve it for off-road as well. Plan on knocking that out super soon. Besides that, I'm gonna ride it here for the next few weeks. Yeah, I think that might be about it. I've got some cool stuff in. I did a video, I've been working on a video for Oxbow headlamps. So mounts on your helmet, uses a GoPro mount, lets you ride at night. I've got part of that video done. I have to do the nighttime testing on it. I'm really excited. Huge thanks to those guys. Seems like a really cool company. They were nice, great to work with, and that product is 10 times. It really inspires confidence when you're holding it in your hand. It's metal construction. It just feels way more durable than it looks in the picture. So I'm pumped to be working with Oxbow for sure. In here, same old stuff. 2 KX250s here, just kind of acting as backups for that one. If I need a part, I'm pulling it off. Do want to get some plastics and stuff to have both these wrapped up and ready to roll at any time. Got to grab a Kickstarter, which is like $100. So that's fun. Just got to get the wheel back on my 450. I've tested the WR for 16 miles, but I'm about to shortly suit up and test this WR some more. See if it's going to be. It seems to be starting a little easier now that I put some time on it. So hopefully that trend continues. So I'm gonna test out the flywheel weight on the 250 and test out this today for a while because it's supposed to be pretty warm. And you can see there's the table. I've got some black painted already. I'm gonna paint the top gray. And right here is my corner desk, nickel silver, that just now came in via UPS. And I'm gonna try to get it together today and put up in the corner of the studio. And I'll have that in a video as well. So yeah, just want to check in with you guys. Thanks to my regulars. Thanks to everybody that I got some guys that seem to watch every video no matter what, or at least comment on it. You guys don't know how much I appreciate that. My riding videos seem to get pretty good views, but videos like this are hit and miss. So I consider you guys my friends. I really do appreciate it. If you need anything, you know how to get a hold of me on Facebook or Instagram or whatever. So thanks again, guys. And I'm going to go rip for a while. Later.